Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro. We're doing a charge port replacement on a Samsung A53. This is the part that we're using here. And here we go. First thing we want to do is remove the back. I'm going to start working it around. Like so. And just kind of keep working around. Now I have heated this up already, so that's why it's looking so much easier. Looking like it's so much easier to do than it may actually be. Now we're going to remove these screws. All right. I'm gonna grab a spudger. Get this bad boy out of here. There we go. All right, now we're gonna pop these guys off. Like so. Now this is for the screen and it's attached, so we have to be very careful here. I'm just gonna turn this phone off. It is off, so that's good. We have to be very careful. Looks like it's gonna come off easily. There we go, just like that. So that's nice. That came off really quite easily. All right, so now we're gonna go back here. Grab this guy again. We're gonna pop these screws off. There's only 2 of them. Then we're gonna have to remove the black and the white. These are labeled white and black. Pop those guys off, like so. And then this guy pops out like that. Take that, grab the new one. Now this gal was complaining about crackling in her headsets, so hopefully this is gonna resolve that issue. I'm gonna put this back over here. That guy into place, like so. Everything's out of there. And she just kind of slides in. I'm Gonna stick this guy back on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Take a peek at it, make sure we're sitting in there. These guys, we want to make sure they're in the groove. In the groove. A little bit more on that here. And press down. Now don't press hard on these guys at all. You want to make sure that it's on top of where it needs to be. There we go. And that guy's in there now. That's all in its groove. That's in place. These are in. That's in. Put these two screws in back in place here. One, two. Let's put this guy back on.